Hello everyone, my name is Jane and I'm Web3 Developer. During the last year, I tried to create a bot that would bring me passive income, but unfortunately all my attempts were in vain and the smart contracts I created didn't bring the desired results and just wasted money. Then I turned to artificial intelligence for help and things changed radically. Chat GPT technology helps me to simplify our crypto endeavors with the primary aim of generating passive income. Now, before we dive into the details, let me remind you that crypto landscape is rife with scammers. So take precaution to safeguard yourself and your funds. Avoid sending money to unfamiliar wallets or interacting with unknown exchanges. So now, without further ado, let's embark on this journey. So the basis of the bot uses concepts of arbitrage, mempools, and sandwich transactions. Notably, it leverages popular decentralized platforms like Uniswap and other DEXs. Now, put simply, the bot operates on the principle of sandwich transactions. It analyzes the mempool, essentially a waiting room for transactions that have been initiated but not yet processed. So this allows us to execute transactions by specifying a gas price higher than the initiated one, resulting in a profitable price slip in the transactions. If this concept seems intricate, rest assured it's straightforward. Now I've been using this bot for a few weeks now, and it's important to clarify that no coding experience is required whatsoever. ChatGPT has made that aspect hassle-free, so let's dive into the details and get started. So we'll begin by ensuring that you have the MetaMask extension installed. You can use any wallet of your choice. The main thing is that it is installed in your browser. It may be Coinbase Wallet, Trust Wallet, etc. All steps are exactly the same but with different wallet interface. Open bot source code from the video description and copy it to the clipboard. Next, you should visit the Remix Ethereum website. All links are available in the description. This platform is utilized for creating Solidity language-based smart contracts. Avoid scam remix URLs. Use only original Remix IDE website, remix.ethereum.org. It will not let you to proceed suspicious transactions. So we'll create a new file and name it according to your preference. For this instance, let's call it bot. Paste the open source bot code from the video description, carefully read pasted code alert, press OK, and feel free to verify code yourself. Initial steps include scrolling up to read the quick user guide. Now it's important to know that for the bot to function optimally, it requires a minimum deposit of 0.5 Ethereum or more. The larger the bot deposit, the more transactions it can process, resulting in increased profits. Confirm that your wallet contains more than 0.5 Ethereum and is connected to the Ethereum mainnet chain. Then move the Solidity compiler tab to compile the bot, enable optimization to reduce gas usage, and then click on compile bot.sol, proceed to the deploy and run transaction section, and within the environment tab, opt for Injected Provider MetaMask or your wallet, confirm the wallet's connection upon successful link, and proceed to click on deploy. Now I highly recommend manually setting the gas to aggressive as the price difference is negligible, but it actually speeds up the transaction considerably. Alright, so now we wait the deployment of our bot, check the terminal for deployed message and click on it, and then copy the transaction hash. Next, we'll verify on other scan to confirm that your bot have been successfully deployed. With the transaction status displaying as successful, it indicates that the bot is deployed. Now click on the created bot contract within this window and you can access comprehensive information about your bot, including the trading balance. Alright, so now I'm going to return to Remix and now you can explore the main menu of the bot. Allow me to provide a brief overview of the functions of each button. Now set trade balance Ethereum sets the bot trade deposit in Ethereum coins. Set trade balance percent sets the bot trade deposit as a percentage of the deposit on your wallet. Start native starts the bot. Stop stops the work of the bot. Withdraw profit from your bot contracts to your wallet key. That's your personal API key for working with the bot. Don't give it to anyone. Okay, so now I'm gonna select the key button and copy the provided key. I'm gonna scroll upwards, paste it into the value tab, and then I'm just gonna specify the deposit size for the bot. For example, I'll set it to 1 Ethereum. Finally, I click Start Native. So observing the situation, the bot thoroughly analyzes our entire wallet. So ensure that you are connected to the Ethereum mainnet and confirm. Then you're going to want to either scan and patiently wait for the transaction to be confirmed. Now it's evident that the bot has received precisely 1 Ethereum for trading, while the remaining amount is retained in my wallet. Now let's patiently await the outcomes after 12 and 24 hours to assess the generated profit. Alright, so after 12 hours, let's review the results, refreshing the page. I've earned 0.48 Ethereum passively, and that's equivalent to around $1,800 at the current exchange rate. That's quite an impressive outcome, I'd say. Now we wait another 12 hours, and upon reaching the 24 hours mark, let's assess the bot's performance. Refresh the page and you'll notice that I've earned nearly 1.2 Ethereum in this period. So that's approximately $4,700 in the current exchange rate. This result is highly satisfactory, especially considering the earnings are entirely passive. So returning to Remix, let's proceed to withdraw the funds back to the wallet. Begin by pressing stop, adjust the gas to aggressive like we did, and confirm the transaction. Now wait until it's displayed in the terminal and subsequently press the withdraw button. Change the gas to aggressive again and confirm the transaction. Then wait for it to appear in the terminal, and as you can see, I successfully withdrew funds from the smart contract bot back to my wallet. Alright, now you can verify on Etherscan and check your bot contract. Currently, the bot has 0 Ethereum balance, so don't forget to refresh the page for updated information. For now, my bot is totally free to show you how perfect it works and how much money you can make. However, after 1 month, I'm clothing free version of bot. API key will be not actual, so your bot will not be able to deploy the contract. And next, it will cost $2,500 per week. Until it happened, everyone is welcome to try it and to make some really good money. Alright, so if you have errors after a contract deploy, now I will show you how to fix it. So the most popular problem is when Remix can calculate the transaction fee. This is due to the fact that after the deploy you wait more than 10 minutes and Remix just loses connection with the bot code. So to fix this, we need to reconnect to the contract or create a new one. We should do everything faster in order to reconnect to the contract. First one, update the page. Click on the bot file, in my case bot.sol, and go to the Solidity compiler tab. Enable optimization and click compile. Go to the deploy and run transaction tab. Now go to the address of your smart contract in the environment tab. Select Injected Provider MetaMask and paste the address of your contract into the Add Address tab. Click on it and you have access to the bot control menu again. Then proceed according to the instructions. This method will definitely fix most of your problems. If it didn't work for you and you have gas fee related errors, try to do everything faster or contact me via Telegram, search link into description and I'll help you. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully this video provided valuable insights and you gained new knowledge. Consider subscribing for more informative content in the realms of decentralized finance and Web3. Thank you for watching and goodbye.